Topping news this evening, businesses across the country back in operation today as the national lockdown instituted 2 weeks ago has ended, but only under strict healthy safety protocols.
Just hours before the lockdown was lifted, the competent authority, Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis, issued words of encouragement as the fight against COVID-19 progresses. Altavis Munnings has that story.
The first case was reported in the Bahamas earlier this year. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis, has always reiterated the message.
This is not a time for large parties, socials, or group gatherings, which can further spread the virus, which is very easy to catch.
And he wants to make sure that message resonates even more now that the country has reopened. During his 15-minute national message Sunday, the Prime Minister pointed out that government is trying to reopen the country in a measured manner, allowing certain activities with specific guidelines, restrictions, and health and safety protocols, which he admonished the business community to follow. And here's what you need to know. Starting Monday, August 31st, the national curfew is in effect from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily for Abaco, Acklins, Andros, the Berry Islands, Bimini, Cat Island, Crooked Island, Eleuthera, Exuma, Grand Bahama, Anagua, Mayaguana, and New Providence. Grocery stores, pharmacies, water depots, gas stations, and hardware stores on those islands can open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily, retail bakeries from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., commercial banks and credit unions from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Hours for insurance companies, brokers, and agents, as well as money transmission services, are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Laundromats can open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily, and dry cleaning and laundry services from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily.
Barbers and beauticians may open with one person per service provider. Landscape service providers may operate Monday through Saturday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. News vendors may operate Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. Retail businesses may open Monday through Saturday between the hours of 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., utilizing curbside or delivery services. However, clothing and fabric stores may also offer in-store service with physical distancing, sanitization, and mask protocol. Restaurants may offer takeaway, drive-through, and outdoor dining. Restaurants at Fish Fry and Potter's Key will be able to offer takeaway services only. Public transportation may operate at 50% capacity, subject to health guidelines.
Not allowed to operate right now? Spas, gyms, or outdoor group exercises, bars, discos, cinemas, casinos, museums, libraries, historical societies, cultural and entertainment facilities, cookouts, jet ski, and straw vending operations. There is no curfew in effect on Chub Key, Harbor Island, Long Key, Long Island, Ragged Island, Rum Key, San Salvador, and Spanish Wells. Commercial and private flights and sea vessels are now permitted to travel into, within, and out of the Bahamas with certain requirements. Now, with all of those guidelines in place, the Prime Minister also detailed some of the progress being made so far in government's response to fighting COVID-19.
We have increased hospital capacity, including for COVID-19 patients, created a COVID-19 enforcement unit, increased testing capacity, improved the turnaround time for test results, and generally improved the analysis of health data. Of course, there is still more to be done in terms of our health responses, and we are doing so. Let me assure you that the Royal Bahamas Police Force remains on high alert. I urge and remind the police enforce all our laws, no exceptions. I ask you, the people, please do your part. I was very disappointed passing the construction site at the point on Bay Street, where all Chinese workers were wearing masks, but the Bahamian workers were not. We should all be vigilant in terms of safety and security during the phased reopening of the economy.
Prime Minister Minnis once again underscored the need for all Bahamians to encourage and pray for each other, as well as unite as the Bahamas endures this global health crisis.
I ask my fellow Bahamians and residents with greater means to do whatever you can, wherever you can, to help the poor and the most vulnerable in our country. Yes, we can, and we will beat this deadly virus. We will overcome the challenges of today. It is the people's time to act in a spirit of solidarity, to heal, and to renew the country we all love.
He's also appealing to Bahamians and residents who need more information on the emergency orders, as well as to submit recommendations on the reopening plan, to log on to www.opm.gov.bs or follow the Office of the Prime Minister on all social media platforms. Minnis, ZNS Network News.